Hi friends, this is Anurka Vijay. Welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major pairs as well as minors, followed by gold, silver, copper, US30, Bitcoin. So before we get into this analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written. So I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plan explaining here. So let's move on to our watch list. So start from DXY and end with gold. So let's move on to DXY. So I'm expecting that correction nearly to 108. This is the one I'm expecting zone. So previous week also the same plan, nothing changed, and it dropped up to 101.47 here, 49 I think. Yeah, 101.52 is the low. So from here also I didn't expect this one, and it may do the corrections, but again it broke the previous low, this one. So after that the three-way structure, so this has become that expanded flat. After that also this is the one we are getting. So now I'm expecting this one, 5 ways, 3 ways, and again 5 ways, or this is the 3 ways and 5 ways, or it could be WXY. So anyway I am looking only for the correction zone here. After that 107, but I am expecting the correction for the longer term. It's nearly 2 to 3 months also it may took. So like this, how here, this kind of corrections I am expecting. So whether it is going to do here now itself, or whether it is going to do like this kind of corrections, and what we already last week I explained. So this is the correction part I'm expecting. This is the impulsive wave. So one correction and one impulsive wave. So whether it is going to do like this part of the correction because it is an impulsive, or whether it is going to do this kind of corrections to break the previous high and one more low. This kind of corrections. So whether it is going to do like this or whether it is going to do like this. This is the irregular flat pattern, is a regular flat pattern. So 96 is available, or again it can break the previous high of 115, and then after that breaking this high, it will trap all the retailers in the buy, and then again it may do this kind. It's already done a lot of times, like this kind of irregular flat patterns here. So we can make it this as a irregular flat pattern also, or whether this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also. So for this we are in the irregular flat pattern. So it could be anything here. So I'm expecting the bigger corrections nearly to one. It will took more than 1 to 2 months here I'm expecting. So after the corrections only we can expect that one more low here, or one more low like this kind of corrections. The same thing in Euro USD also. This is the one impulsive wave. So I'm expecting the correction and one impulsive wave. So whether it is going to do like this, or as per my expectation the DXY, it can do like this, and again one more low, one more high and one more low. So this will become the corrective part. So we have to wait for this to complete. So it's very tough to trade now because everything it is looking like a diagonal pattern in that DXY or Euro USD, everything. It seems like, look at this, we expected from here itself, and it came very well, but immediately it bounced back, and it is not in the 5-way structure. So whether it is, this is the one, it's looking like a three-way structure, and this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So this could be the end of the correction. So it can be anything. After the market it did like this, we can so the price action, the structures we need, how we split that combinations of the WXY. It can be said W X A B C Z, again X Y Z also, or it could be again W X Y. Here it's completed, and this is the one A, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So it could be anything. The only thing is I am expecting the corrections. So waiting for the corrections, and then you have to trade. So GBP USD, and it is not yet broken the previous high so far. So one impulsive wave done, and I'm expecting one more impulsive wave to the downside here as a correction part. So whether it is going to do like this, or it can break the previous high like the New Zealand dollar did, and again one more low, after that high. So in any way, all the thing I'm expecting the corrections part. So this is the one structure I'm expecting. So this, expecting this structure, I need to complete this corrections to complete. Then only I will look into the buy section, not now. So buying and selling is very tough, because I'm expecting this kind of corrections. Only if it did like this, then we will look into that, whether it is going to be a buy side or it is going to be in sell side. Later on we will decide. How I am doing in the NG now, natural gas. So I'm expecting the three-way structure. It is not yet completed here for that one more high to make. So USD CAD, in the structure, I'm expecting this one. I'm expecting this, right? So if it did like this, I can making the stop loss, and I can sell this product for this, expecting this one. But what it will do, right? It may do also. How? See, this is the one impulsive for this correction. So again, I'm expecting this and this. It's very simple. But market will do like this. It will break this one, and immediately it can bounce like this. So this will become the bigger corrections, and one more low. So anyway, I'm looking for this bigger correction. This is the one impulsive way to the downside, and this is the correction, or impulsive or correction, whatever it is. So this is one ABC is a A. So one impulsive is got completed here in the down as a downtrend. So I'm expecting this one. So expecting this, what it will do, if the DXY is going to break the previous high, means it can do like this also. It will break the high, and it will do like this. So then this will become the corrective part. So it's a very tough to trade, to predict the market here. So wait for the corrections to complete. You can play the intermediate waves with making the stop loss. It's not in the big lot sizes. So according to your account size, you can make your positioning the size according to your account size. So next, USD JPY. Look at this. This is the diagonal. Everything it is in the diagonal pattern. So it's a very tough to predict when the market is going to complete. It's already got completed. So everything it is in the diagonal pattern. I'm expecting from here, and it did a low. And again I'm expecting from here, and it did a one more low. So it can do again this also. So after this, we can label it as anything, but I need this one. Whether it is going to be reach the 138, or whether it is going to reach this one, that we will see later onwards. But this is the pattern I am expecting. One bounce. So USD chef, same. Everything is in the diagonal pattern. For example, I will show you the silver in the diagonal pattern, the longer time. Look at this. We didn't know when it will complete, right? From here, from 83, when it completed 92, nearly 10 years, 9 years, 82, 92, nearly almost 10 years. This is a diagonal pattern. And Bitcoin, it's also the same thing happening here, diagonal pattern. Okay, I'll show you in the daily chart. This is the one, and it's already broken now. So whether we still, I'm expecting one more down, but we didn't know. Expecting this, I'm not in the sell, but the structure to complete. If it happens like this, I will be in buy side. So the next one is Australian dollar. See, USD, SGD also the same. It's in that diagonal pattern. So everything, it is forming the wedge formation. Whether it is going to complete, when it will going to complete. And if it did like this, and we can expect this is the break above the trend line, what it will do like this. Then we can adjust this one according to this. So it is still in downtrend, but whether it is completed or not, that is the question mark. Here also we did as a, and it is already broken. What had happened again next? So one more low is possible in my view, because this is the one, it's a 5-year structure. This is the one, this is the 2, and this is the 3. After this, I'm expecting one more low, and I'm expecting this one. Or whether this is the completion of that, it could be. So the next one is Australian dollar. So I'm expecting the corrections, and I have explained here. This is the one is, I thought this is the one is impulsive, so I need a correction. But what is happening? It's already broken the previous high, and I'm expecting this one. So this is the where we are. It's already broken the previous high, and it is already dead. So now I'm expecting this one. So whether it is doing like this, or this is the end of the correction part here, and it can do like this also. Again, expecting this, and market won't give this low, it can do like this. And New Zealand dollar, everything, look at this. I'm expecting this one, but what, it already broken the previous high, and I expecting now this is the one I'm expecting. So whether it is going to be an irregular flat, or running flat, or it could be an expanded flat. So anyway, I'm looking for the corrections, so wait for that corrections to complete. If the correction has got completed, only we can catch the impulsive way. If you are too good in correction, how it is going to do, or how it is going to complete, if you are watching the corrections only, you can find out where it is going to be a turning point for that impulsive wave. Like UJ, how we got at 103. So next one is, it's a, see, everything I'm going very fast because it's everything remains the same thing. So nothing is changed as well. I'm expecting only the correction part. So there is no much going to deep in that. So everything, the longer view, I'm expecting for the DXY in the correction part here. I'm expecting this one. So wait for that. So if the DXY is going to be a correction, and Euro USD, GBP USD, everything, I'm looking for this kind of corrections to the downside. So next we will show, we completed everything. I think you cared. Yeah, you can also the same pattern. So expecting this, there is no trade here. only at least once we get a clear image or clear structures, then only we can trade this. So waiting is the key for the in the corrections. So let's move on to the Euro New Zealand. Look at this. It's already did, right? Now from here bounce, expecting, right? So let's wait for the complete the structure. So everything it is in the same as per the previous week analysis. So New Zealand CAD, yeah, look at this, the three-way structure, again one more three-way structures. Or if we expect this one, if you making this as a stop loss to, this is the one for the target to break this one. If you did like this, market will do like this. It will hit your stop loss, and if you place this and it will hit your stop loss, and then this will become the WXY corrections, and again it will do like this, and this will become the irregular flat pattern. So correction, to trading the correction part in the smaller time frame, or if it is in the bigger time frame also, wait for the structures to complete. That is the only one my advice. The structure is incomplete as of now. So next we can move for US30. Look at this, expecting what I did, this one. From here, right, exactly it reached their zone, and what it is doing, 1 2 3, this is the fourth, or it's already completed here, and one more low is also possible. But if expecting this fifth wave, it's very tough. Market will do like this again. But this is the structure, right? You just go through all my previous videos. So this is the pattern I'm expecting. This is the one impulsive, and previous also I explained that this could be like this also, 1 2 3 4 5 also. So anyway, I need one impulsive wave, exactly it did. Now the correction part, whether it is going to do like this, or after that one more impulsive wave to the downside, or whether it is going to be like this from here itself. So if you are too good to catch the impulsive wave, you need to watch this correction part, not to trade. Watch, then only you will get the confidence. Look at this. This is the 5-way structure, 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 is ABC. After that it's forming the 5-way structures, so we have to wait for this. So what it will do, expecting this, we are expecting this one. Market again it will shoot like this, and then this will become that triangle also from here. So this is a B C D E, and one more low is also possible. So this is the A, this is the B and C. So wait for the correction, but where we have to take the trade, that is the more important. See, one impulsive wave, but expecting it will hit you a stop loss, and if you are not taking this trade, so look at this. If you took this trade here, I didn't done, because I'm just most of the time I'm doing only the currency pairs, not the US30, and now I'm looking for the natural gas because that's got a more risk reward. So that is what I'm looking for that. So now if you making this as a stop loss, look at this reward, it's a huge. But expecting one more away and it will hit you a stop loss means you need to take a risk, then only you can get such a kind of reward. How much? Nearly the 1:3, it could be right here. So knowing everything is not that much important. You need to apply your, as per your strategy, you need to take the risk. That is the only thing in this financial market. If you are going to willing to take the risk, then only you will get the reward. Until if you are looking for the more confirmation, you can't trade, you can't earn money, right? Next one we will see US30 and Bitcoin. from here what we expected exactly. I'm expecting this one, but what did market do? Look at this. So even though if it is going to be, and I already informed that expecting this, don't trade for the sale. If it did like this, you're going for the buy. I already explained what happened. So whether this is the completion of the correction, it could be, because if it is the diagonal part 1 2 3 4 5, if this is the diagonal part, this is a completion. Or whether it is still beyond the correction part, it can do like this. So if you are going to take a risk, so what I explained, so it could be like this also, making this as a stop loss. But in the case if this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, and one more low 5, and it will do all the stop loss, market will do like this for that expanded flat. So watch the market clearly and make the stop loss at the right place, and then you need to enter the market. It's very simple to advise you here, but we need to apply that. For example, I will show you that a natural gas, because I'm clear and I keep on watching this one, natural gas. I keep on buying in the lower, and again I'm exiting, because it's not so promisable trade setup for me at the end. Here I entered here, but no need to break this low again. At the morning, yesterday morning, it broke the low, but even though I know if it breaks the low also, sorry, if it breaks the low also, I need one impulsive wave to trap all the retailers. Exactly it did. In the 15 minutes I clearly watching, and I informed to the one of the group also in the WhatsApp. So from here also I'm not so, see this, I took this as an impulsive wave, because it looks like 1 2 3 4 5. So after the 5-way structure I need a 3-way structure to break this one, but already it's broken the previous low. So this is a 1 2 3. So anyway I'm looking for that impulsive wave. Exactly it did, it bounced, I exited here itself and informed that also in the group. So now what it will be, look at this in that 15-minute chart. I'm looking this previous, I will just clear this one once again. So first of all need to break this one, right, and it is broken here. After that what I need to break it, the market need to break this trend line. It did, retested, boom, I exited my position here itself, because whether it is a 3-way structure means it will do like this also. In this kind of corrections can do like this here. And what it happens, 1 2 3 4 and 5, impulsive way. So if you are in the shorter time frame, lot of people will do like this, 1 2 3, after the 3 market will expecting this one, but it won't do, because this is the one is A, this is the one is B, and this is the C. The C got a 5-way structures, and so this is an irregular flat pattern. So for this impulsive wave, it's already did here. So what I am expecting, one more low, or this is the end of the correction, means it can shoot here. So anyway I'm looking to break this one. This is the longer, this is the trend line. If it breaks this and if it retested this, then only I will be in buy side, making this as a stop loss. So this is the plan I'm looking for, and this is the one, it's looking like whether it's a one more low is also possible from here. Let's wait, because it's the diagonal pattern is very tough, as I said the previous. This could be the 1, this could be the 2, this could be the 3, this could be the 4 and 5. So whether this is a completion of the fifth wave or still we are having one more low, it can't say. Only the market, if it boom from here, if it bounce like aggressively, then only we come to know whether this part is completed. Until that, what it will do, again it will break this one also from here. How in the gold it is doing. Look at this. I expecting, right, from here I expecting this one, and from here I am expecting this one. What it did, it broke the previous trend line, retested here, and again boom. So what is the next one? Let's wait. But what is our target is 1920. It's already reached, but expecting that 1750, 1760, I'm not in sell side. I'm expecting this, but I'm not in sell side because I'm not so promising, right? Market will do like this also, and market will do like this also. This is the same pattern. It's already happened in Australian dollar, Japan yen. I'm just keep on watching this from that Australian dollar JPY. I will show you in the other from here, daily chart. This is the one I several times I shown this one. I am expecting this one. I'm expecting this one. But what did market did? Look at this. This is the one. The same thing happening in gold now. Expecting this. Look at this. What it did. So then we come to know, okay, this is the five waves is completed, and the smaller it's a B wave, and the C wave is dead. Like this, it's happening in the gold. Same structure. Because we need to, the observation is the more important. What kind of, this is the one it's doing now. So whether this is the three-way structure, the 1, 2, 3. So 4 is already completed, 5 is also completed, and this is the one is a simple correction in zigzag. So now whether this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, and 5 means market again it will do like this, one more high, and later onwards it will do like this. So this now it's a 2000 is the more important zone. But expecting this, I'm not in buy and I'm not in sell side. Just clearly I'm watching this one. I'm not going to do anything because see market it's doing the making the higher high in silver. It is still lagging here itself. From here, look at this 3rd Jan, right? The gold. This is the 3rd Jan. Market it's did already high, but in silver it is still lagging there in the trend line. So whether it is going to shoot and whether it is going to break, didn't know. I'm expecting this one. Like look at this. I'm expecting this one. I'm already in short, but wait for that. Whether it is going to do like this and then one more low. So the structure need to complete here. I'm already in short. If it did like this also, I'm going to short. But I did my stop loss here for the silver. If it did also, a market will do like this. But expecting this, I am not going to make a stop loss for this, and it will you may lose also. So strictly we need a stop loss here. This one. Look at this 4-hour chart. It's not yet broken. It may or may not. I don't know. But its correction is going on. So whether the correction is like going to do like for the downtrend in Euro USD, look at this correction. here, this portion. The previous what we expected previous, but I having alternative correction, alternative view also. From here also market will do like this, and then only it's going to be a downtrend, but already here it started. So from here also look at this, it's a diagonal and it is did as per my expectation. So watching in the correction part is the key. Again, and I am saying the same thing. It's nothing else. So look at that copper. One, two, three. So again, this one. So what we kept, this is the A, this is the B and C. So 1, 2, 3. So whether this is the W, this is the X, this is the Y, or this is the A, this is the B, and one more low, after that one more high. So this is the A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. It could be like this also. So what you have to do? Nothing to do. If you need willing to sell the market, you can sell the market, and if it comes like this, you need to sell again. But make sure about your full size. But if you're not going to do anything, just keep on watching, and market will do like this. And you will tell, oh, I missed the market. You need a proper trade plan to execute everything to make the money in this market. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I finished everything. It's very fast because it's a market is in the correction part, nothing to give an input. So you just go through all my previous videos, and then you can find out what it is happening and what is my trade plan and how I'm looking the market. So hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next week if it market set to the correction part in the dollars. So if it market what we expecting in the market is good, it's doing the correction, and as per our expectation, I will update my chart also if I found a time in all the social medias. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next week. Have a wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye.